Ooh, back cooking with Chef P and Bonz. And family, anything that you see the chef cook, I also cook it in bulk. So any entree that you see Bonz featuring Chef P cook, I can also cook it for 1,000 people or more. All you gotta do is tap in with Bonz featuring Chef P. That would be easy because we already know what makes the world go round. Ooh, this one makes the world go round. The ups and downs, the carousel. Family, this is that pasta primavera Alfredo, topped with chicken and shrimp. Okay? Changing things. We want to get out, Chef P and Bonz want to get at the heavy volume cooking and show you that the same consistency is there. The taste is there by Chef P.